Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send a message to someone on Badoo mobile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the mobile application. I'm simply gonna open it. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we want to do is simply chat with other people. Right here at the very bottom, in between likes and profile, you will see something like chats. Simply click on it. And here are the people that I have matched with. At the very top, there are my likes and matches, and at the bottom, under the messages tab, here is someone that I have chatted with. I'm simply gonna click on the chat right here. And right here, this is the chat that I have done. Well, do note, you can send a message from right here that says write a message. I'm simply gonna click on it. Well, from here you can send messages, and you can send a photo as well. If you click on the plus icon, you can click on the emoji icon as well to send these different emojis. Well, do note that each of these emojis cost 100 credits, and you can send a GIF as well. The button's right here. Simply search for any GIF that you want to send. And guys, that's it. That's how we chat with someone or message with someone in Badoo. But make sure initially you have to get matched with them. Well guys, that's it. That's how we message someone on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Thank you.